So guys, if you need to give access to your Facebook page and Instagram account, don't give the passwords because they can take over your account. All you have to do is go to business.facebook.com. You see it right here, business.facebook.com. And all you're going to do is you're at the home page. It should look something like this, but of course it's going to look, with your logo and all that good stuff. Then on the left, it's going to be settings. You just go to settings and it's going to take you to this. Let me pull this to the side here. And you see right here is people are partners. So regular people, you just invite the person, okay? And make sure you get their Facebook email address, the one they use to log in. Now, partners is like if you hired us to do everything for them. We have a business ad account, okay? So that's the difference. So a regular person, like a virtual assistant, you just go here. Here goes my virtual assistant. That's your email address that's connected to Facebook that already recognized. And it says, what kind of access? We just want to give basic access. We don't want to give full control. We don't want her giving to our finances and everything like that. Let me pull here. Then we come over here. You can do view advanced options just for, do you want finances? No. Do you want everything? No. Do you want her apps and integration? Sure, she can. No, I don't even want that. Just basic access for her so she can't mess anything up. Select the assets. So we're going to go Facebook page along with the Instagram, along with the pixel, okay? So she can get that. So what does see here? So right now, the pixel, you use event data, partial access. I don't want to just view. Now content. Now down here, you should see something. I want to do content. She should be able to messages, community activity, not create ads, and look at insights. I don't want her messing with the money. Here with the Facebook page, we're going to give her content, community activity, messages and calls, not create ads, insights, and leads. I don't want her charging my account, and she can do that if you give her the power to create ads. So partial access, no, I don't want ads because Facebook knows that they can do that. I got see now. Now I'm having a hard time taking it off. Content, community, message calls, no ads. There we go. See how the insights are there? Ooh, man, almost got me, Facebook. Gotta be careful. There, and just like that, and click next. So now you're giving partial access to this person and send invitation. So we have given access in less than 3 minutes, actually 2.5 minutes. Invitation has been sent, and that is it. Hope you found this video valuable about giving access to your assistant or anybody and giving them partial access so they can't take over your account. See you on the next one, folks. I'm Alan from firewireads.com. Needing anything with Facebook ad setup, Facebook pages, ads, whatever, check me out at facebook.firewireads.com. Bye-bye. Peace, toodles. Auf Wiedersehen.
Like and subscribe and learn how to make money online at firewireads.com.